Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use eye contact feature on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project in CapCut. Then I'm going to show you how we can use that feature. I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to add my photo and my video as well. So for your information, we can apply the eye contact feature to a photo or video. I'm going to go to the CapCut library to get a footage from here. I'm going to go to the live category. Oops, wait guys. Okay, and I'm going to use footage from here. I'm going to select this one, for example. Okay, and then for the photo, I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster. Okay, and then I'm going to add my photo. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and for the photo, I'm going to select photo from my pins folder. Okay, I'm going to select this photo. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to show you how we can use the eye contact feature. If we want to activate that feature, we can tap on our photo or video. Okay, and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the eye contact feature. Just tap on that, and you can simply click on this toggle button to activate the eye contact feature. Okay. Alright, and now the eye contact feature has been applied to this photo. And if you want to apply the eye contact feature to all your clips, you can click on apply to all. Okay. Okay, and now the eye contact feature has been applied to all my clips. Again, this is how it looks. So basically, we can use this eye contact to make our video looking at the camera. As you can see guys, before I apply this eye contact feature, this girl is not looking at the camera, and after I apply the eye contact feature, this girl is looking at the camera, and this girl as well. I'm going to show you the before and after. Wait, I'm going to turn off the eye contact feature. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and this is after I apply the eye contact feature. You can see the different, right? And okay guys, that's all the way to use eye contact feature in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.